Good morning. How are you? I hope all are fine. I'm very happy to teach you today. Yesterday already one exercise is over. Mostly, I think you understood. Today we are going to discuss about new topic. New topic we are going to discuss today. Operations. Of integers we are going to do according to the problem and also number line. By using number line we can get the answer, and also by calculation you will get the answer. Today we are going to start the operations of integers. In that, the first one is addition of integers. Already you know very well addition of integers. Addition nothing but add the two integers which are positive or negative, because you know very well integers nothing but the collection of positive, negative along with 0 are called integers. So today we are discussing about addition of integers. First one is, you observe here, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Very simple, it is a simple addition. And 4 plus 2 is a 6, and 4 plus 1 is a 5. You know very well 4 plus 0 is the 4. If you add to any number to 0, that is a given number. For example, a plus 0, what is answer? A only. If you add 0 to any number, the value doesn't change the value, because 4 plus 0 is the 4. Next, you know very well 4 plus of minus 1. How to read? 4 plus of minus 1. Minus 1, you know minus nothing but what? Subtraction. So 4 plus of minus 1. Subtract 1. 4 minus 1 is the 3. So 4 plus of minus 2 equals to what? 2. 4 plus of minus 3 equals to what? 1. Minus minus is there, we have to subtract. Before that, you have to know the some important points. You know, plus into plus equals to plus. Plus into minus equals to minus. Minus into plus equals to minus. Minus into minus equals to plus. This is a very important. Once again, plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Both are plus, the result is plus. Both are minus, the result is plus. Remaining plus minus, minus plus is the minus. So very simple. Here you observe this problem, 4 plus of minus 2, plus 4 minus 2, plus minus, so subtraction, 4 minus 2 is the 2, like that. So next you have to discuss about the number line. Do you know number line? Already yesterday completed number line. You know very well the number line. The middle 0, right side positive, left side negative. So how to complete the answer? By using number line, addition, whatever it may be, subtraction. So is a very important points to here. If you want to add positive integer, for example 1, 2, 3, like that, positive integers, if you want to add positive integer on the number line, you compulsory you should move right side. You have to move right side of the number line. If you want to add negative, you should move left side of the number line. For example, here one number line is there, here middle 0 is there. I want to add 2. 2 is the positive, so you have to move right side of the number line. For example, here number line is there, here middle 0 is there. If you want to add minus 2, you should move left side of the number line, like that, left side. So this is the process, very important. If you add positive integers, you should move right side. If you want to add negative integer, you should move left side of the number line. This is the process. So next you have to observe some examples here. It's a very important. 7 plus 2. Now represent the 7 plus 2 on the number line. Represent the 7 plus 2 on the number line. So first of all, you have to draw the number line, middle 0 and right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. So you observe carefully, here number line is there already. So here the first one, 7 plus 2. So first of all, you have to start with 0, start from 0. So 0 is there. So 7 nothing but positive, so you have to move right side of the number line. So how many steps here? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the first step, start from 0 only. Next again you observe here plus 2. Plus 2 nothing but it is also positive. So you have to move right side once again how many steps you required? 2 from the main point. Now this is the main point. Now what is the main point here? 7. First step completed. From here you have to move again right side 2 steps. So what is the answer here? 9. This is the process of the positive integers represent on the number line. So you observe here the first step start from 0 and next you observe here second step start from 7. So what is the final answer? Here final answer is 9. So the result is 7 plus 2 is the 9 according to the number line. Last step gives 9, so that is the answer. Generally you know very well 7 plus 2 is the 9. So next second example I am going to explain here. So listen carefully here. 5 plus of minus 2, 5 plus of minus 2. Here difference is there, plus 5 is there and minus 2 is there. One is positive and one is negative. So once again you should draw the number line, and 0 right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers you have to start. So now first of all 5, first step you have to start from 0 only, here 0 only. So how many numbers? 5 numbers. So first step is finished. Now what is the main point here? 5. So next you have to add negative integer, negative nothing but minus 2. So minus 2 nothing but you have to move left side from the main point. Now main point is what? 5. So from 5 you have to move 2 steps back left side, 1, 2. So what is the answer here? 3. So you observe first step and second step, here plus 5, here minus 2. So what is the answer here? Final answer here. So what is the final answer is 3. So you observe here 5 plus of minus 2 equals to 3. This is the final answer. I think you understood. If you want to add positive you have to move right side. If you want to add negative you have to move left side. So the final step here 3. So 5 plus of minus 2 equals to 3. As your calculation you know very well, based on the calculation you will get 3, and from number line also you got 3. This is the final answer of this problem. Next here you observe another problem. It is also different, but you know one is positive, one is negative, but the answer is different. You observe this problem. 4 plus of minus 7, 4 plus of minus 7. So plus 4 is the positive, so start from 0 first. So move right side 4 steps. Now this is the main point 4. So the answer is not finished. Next go to second. What is the second here? Minus 7. Minus 7 is the negative integer. So you have to move 7 steps. Minus 7 nothing but 7 steps you have to move left side from the main point. So what is the main here? 4. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you observe here you have to move 7 steps back left side. So what is the answer? Final answer here? Minus 3. So 4 plus of minus 7 equals to minus 3. This is the process of the representation integers on the number line. If you want to add positive you have to move right side, if you want to add negative you have to move left side, but the first step start from 0. First step you should start from 0 only, here like this. So this is the process. So next here after this you observe this page number 3, here one problems are there. You observe here carefully, try this is there. You can complete this by using pencil or pen. It's a very simple calculation, positive and negative. By calculation only, there is no need here number line, just you have to add. For example 9 plus 5, you know 9 plus 5 is the 14, you should write, but one is negative, one is positive, you know very well. Positive 9, for example 9 plus of minus 1, 9 plus of minus 1 nothing but 9 minus 1, what is the answer? 8. So this is the process, you have to complete this. And next here come to the exercise. Exercise is a very simple exercise here. So already I explained many concepts. So first problem is represent the following additions on the number line. Already number lines already explained number line problems. So here we have 4 problems are there. 5 plus 7, very simple, 2 are positive. How to draw the number line, how to get the answer, you know very well. So 5 plus 2 also, second one also you know very well. Third one you observe, one is positive, one is negative, already I explained. So you have to follow that. If you have any doubt, you go to back this video, again you observe and complete the work today. And fourth one, 5 plus of minus 7, positive and negative. So final answer you should write from the number line only, don't do the calculation and don't write the blind answer directly. Just you observe the number line, you have to complete it and write the answer in the fair note. And next second problem, second bit we have many problems here, but second bit no need number line, just we have to write the answer, single step answers. For example, here 7 plus 4 is the 11, this is the answer. For example, 8 plus of minus 3, very simple, 8 plus of minus 3. So 8 plus into minus, already explained, plus into minus, minus and 3. So 8 minus 3 answer is what? 5. Like this you have to complete this also, single step, just single step you have to complete. For example, here seventh problem is there, 13 plus of minus 15. Here you observe 13 plus into minus, minus 15. So plus minus subtraction, you know, if you write 2 it is wrong, because 13 15, okay, plus minus subtraction, okay, no problem, but what is the answer actually? Minus 2. Big number is a 15, 15 before minus is there, you have to write the minus in the result. So you careful, so you have to complete these problems, very simple problems are there, 11 problems, just it will take 10 minutes, then you will finish these problems, because you concentrate on the symbols. For example, here plus into plus is a plus, it is very simple, first problem like that only, and plus into minus is a minus. You observe second problem or fifth problem and fourth and sixth and ninth and eighth, seventh, last 11th problem, these all are depends on plus into minus. Plus into minus is the minus, so subtraction, but in result big number before what symbol is there, then you write that symbol in the result. And next you know very well, minus into plus, it is also same only, minus into plus also minus. If you observe both are minus, minus into minus is a plus. For example, minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus is minus 2 is the addition 4 only, but minus minus is there, you have to write minus. Operation, which operation is required, then you will get the answer by using process. This is the process to find the answers of these problems. It will take just 10 minutes of time, I think. And first bit you should draw the number line from each problem, 4 number lines we required, first problem, second, third, fourth. So you complete these answers. Next subtraction of integers. Subtraction, do you know subtraction? Subtraction nothing but here you observe this 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is a 3, 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 1 5, 6 minus 0 6. Already I explained, 6 plus 0 also 6, 6 minus 0 also 6. The value not change, when you add the 0 or subtract the 0, the value should not be changed, same only. Next you observe 6 minus of minus 1. Here already explained, minus of minus, minus into minus 1 plus. So 6 minus of minus 1, minus into minus plus, so plus 1, 6 plus 1 is the 7, that's why the result is 7, very simple. And you observe the last one here, 6 minus of minus 4, very simple, 6 minus into minus what? Plus, so 4, so 6 plus 4 is the 10. So this is the answer for these problems. So this is the concept to get the subtraction of the integers, very simple. Once you complete this one today, here try this is there, all answers you can very easily. Here 8 plus into minus is what? No, plus, so 8 plus 1 is the 9. You can complete this answer very easily, because very simple answers are there. Okay, here you observe once again I am explaining here, plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So some examples here, 19 plus 4, 19 plus 4 nothing but what? Addition, both are positive, so 23. So here you observe the second problem is 25 plus of minus 45. Here plus into minus what? Minus 25 and plus into minus minus 45. One is plus, one is minus, so result is you know very well subtraction, but big number before minus is there, you have to write minus. So what is answer here? Minus 20. So next 45 plus minus of 45 plus of minus 25. So 45 plus into minus minus 25. It is a very simple. So 20 is the answer. Big number before plus is there. That's why answer also plus 20. And next you observe here 225 minus 29. One is positive, one is negative. So 225 minus 29. So you have to calculate subtraction 15, so 6 and 11 here 11 is there, so 9, 196 is the answer for this question. So this is the process to find the values, all values. So here you observe number line, it is a subtraction of the integers. First problem here 7 minus 2, so one is positive, one is negative, you know very well. Start from 0, positive number, so you have to move right side, so 7. After minus 2 is there, so you have to move left side 2 steps. So what is answer here? Plus 5. So next here you observe 3 minus of minus 7. So listen here, first you do the rough work, only one step. 3 is there positive, no problem, but here minus of minus, minus into minus plus, so 7. So now draw the number line, it is very easy. Don't draw the number line by seeing the problem directly. First you have to do the problem one step only, 3 minus into minus plus. So first of all you draw the number line and middle 0, right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. So here after first step you start the diagram. So first of all start the 3, it is a positive integer, so start from 0, you have to move right side of the number line 3 steps. This is the main point now. Now next again positive integer is there, start from main point, again you have to move 7 steps, you have to count here because here 3 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. So what is the answer here? So 10. So final answer is 10. That is the process here. So 3 minus of minus 7 equals to 10. Very simple. 3 minus of minus 7. So 3 minus into minus is a plus 7. So what is the answer here? 10. You know very well. So next you observe the final one here diagram, minus 3 minus of minus 2. So you have to do the one step here. So minus 3, okay, negative, no problem. Again here minus of minus is there. So minus of minus, minus into minus is the plus. So 2. Now start the diagram. Here negative number and next to positive number. So you know very well, negative nothing but first negative is there. So start from 0, you have to move left side, negative is there. So minus 3. After positive is there, so 2 steps you have to move right side from the main. Now main, this is the main one. So 1, 2. So what is the final answer here? Minus 1. So this is the process to find out the answer by using number line. So here you observe exercise 3 is there here. So first bit you have to complete today because it will take very less time. So first bit, just you have to draw the number line and write the final answer by using number line. For example, first one, positive, negative, right side and left side, very simple. Here you have to do the one step here. Second problem, 8 minus into minus plus, so 7. So 2 are positive, you have to move right side, like that you have to complete it, then you will get the answer. So exercise 3, first bit also you have to complete today itself. So complete today and send the answers. So all the best children, don't delay the work, you have to complete today because first today I don't think about the your work because some students they doesn't have the fair notes, but today you have to buy it and complete today, and you have to send before 5 p.m. You know very well my number 970-570-7890. So you have to send these answers to me. So don't forget, don't delay. So all the best. Okay, all the best children. Complete today.